If you want someone to feel lucky to be with you, the key is to demonstrate that you bring real value into their life, while also making them feel like you are a rare treasure they shouldn't take for granted. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Be a source of support and stability. Show them that being with you means having someone reliable and emotionally supportive. Be the person who stands by their side through tough situations, who listens without judgment, and who helps them grow emotionally. When someone sees that they can rely on you in any situation, they will feel lucky to have you by their side. Step 2. Offer love and affection. Freely. The more affection you show, the more desired you will become. By offering love, care, and physical touch freely, you make them feel appreciated and cherished. This makes them feel like they are receiving something rare and valuable that not everyone gets. People feel lucky when they are the recipient of unconditional love and support. Step 3. Be confident in your own value. The more confident you are in yourself, the more they will see you as someone irreplaceable and desirable. When you value yourself and don't settle for less, others start to recognize that they are fortunate to be with someone who has self-worth. It's about demonstrating that you are someone special and that being with you is something they should feel lucky about. By being a source of support, offering affection freely, and showing confidence in your value, you can make someone feel lucky to have you in their life. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.